Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to be picking the winner for my first giveaway. Like I said before, Tom at Axe Wood Paste sent me their small kit of abrasive sanding paste and polish restoring paste. Said I could do whatever I wanted to with it, and I figured I'd give it away. And that was a long time ago, so I'm just finally getting to it. So without any further rambling, let's get on with it. Get a link, paste it. Let's see, and I said to say yes please. Some folks had a couple more S's or E's in there, and some had comma, so I'm not sure how picky this is, so I'll just put please as the requirement. Continue. There's 25 comments that fit. Pick a winner. Jeff Brookman. So yes please, congrats on the subscriber milestone. Alright Jeff, so I'll put my email address down here if you want to send me your address and whatnot. I'll get it out to you hopefully today or maybe tomorrow, depending on how soon you can get back with me. If I don't hear from you by say Sunday, I'll pick a new winner, but I'm sure you'll be there. You're usually pretty quick. So but yep, congratulations. And again, I'll be having another giveaway that'll be for everybody, and I don't know, maybe next month. We'll see, but it won't be as long as this time, I promise. So yeah, thanks for watching. Again, congratulations Jeff, and give me that address, and you guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you later.